beautiful souls, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm Gina, and today we are going to do something transformative, and that is all about vision boards. It's not going to be just a regular vision board, because what we're going to do is turn them into frames. So I did 5 different ones. We're going to get different categories. I'm going to show you guys where to get the pictures from to go on your vision board, the tools that we need, and all of that good stuff. Here is my question for you today. Are you ready to take control of your life, embrace self-love, and prioritize your health? Heart is saying yes, then stay with me, because we are about to embark on a journey of transformation together. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable. Let's create a vision board that reflects the beautiful, powerful, and healthy life you deserve. Okay, so before you begin, you're going to want to get a notebook and a pen and just write down every single goal. Write down how you want to get there, what you want to do, so that you know what you want to put on your board. Now, a study by Dr. Gail Matthews, he's a psychology professor at the Dominican University in California, he found that people who write down their goals and visualize them regularly are 42% more likely to achieve their goals. That is pretty darn high, you guys. There's also so many successful individuals, including athletes and entrepreneurs, who attribute their success to having a vision board. Oprah Winfrey, Ellen DeGeneres, Jim Carrey, they all have spoken about having vision boards to achieve their goals. So it's definitely something you want to do. We want to write those down, write the goals down, know where we're going, so that we can go ahead and put this board together. Okay, so let's go over some things we're going to need. You can do a poster board. I actually put mine into frames, and then I use like just the thick cardboard paper to go inside of each one of them, because I'm going to do like a collage on my wall in my bedroom. But you can do either or, however you want to do it. You can do it that way. But I just think this way is just real cute, and you'll see how it turns out. So far as getting the pictures, you can use Pinterest, you can use Google, you can use whatever you want to use. Now, I have created these 3 vision boards, books that just makes your life a lot easier. All you need is the poster board and some glue, and you can order this book. I'll leave a link in the description box, but there's 3 different ones, one for Black women, one for Christian women, and then another one with just all races in there. So you can pick those books up if you want, but for this video, I am using everything from the book. So let's go ahead and let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I did was I got some frames, and then I got the thick cardboard paper, and I just kind of measured it out, and then I went ahead and cut around there to make sure that they all fit in perfectly. So I did one, and then I turned around and just copied that as my guide for all the rest of them. Okay, and so now I have all of the sizes together, and they're all going to be equal. So I'm going to start looking and seeing what I want to do first. So first thing I want to do my food first. So my nutrition, and set some goals. So I have everything written down. All I have to do is look for the actual pictures to go along with my words. So that's what I'm doing first. Vision boards is about combining words and powerful phrases and pictures and images, and even a little bit of your handwriting in each category. And that way you're just very specific with what you want to achieve. And so here you see I like to put in a little bit of flowers, a little bit of color. Anything that represents my nutrition, how I want to eat, what I want to eat, to help me along my goals. So I am on a weight loss journey. So that's what my board is going to reflect, is things, positive sayings that says things about getting healthy or losing weight or being in the best shape. That's what I'm going to put on my board, because that's more of what's catered to me. So once I got everything in position and I know where I want it to go, then I start using a little bit of glue and putting it on the edges and everywhere, and then putting it into place. And then next one is about my journey. It's about setting goals, dreaming, weightlifting, just getting healthy overall, but moving my body, just kind of picking up new habits. And so that's what I wanted to reflect on this frame, inside of this picture frame, was just that, my journey and how I'm going to get to where I need to go in life. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside of the frame. I'm just going to put the frame in there and then put the backing on it, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. This next one is just about your mind, your body, and soul, and just kind of being positive. Like reminding myself it is okay to be positive. Sometimes, you guys, we can be nicer to other people than we are to our own selves. So kind of reminding me to take a deep breath in. It's going to be okay. Believe in all of the dreams that I have. Believe in myself, and just thinking positive. And so that's what this board is kind of teaching me, to just believe. I like some of the wordings that's on here. The one that I chose says, mindfulness is the art of embracing each moment with an open heart and a clear mind, discovering the profound beauty of the simplicity of now. Just now, just enjoying now. So many times we can get so caught up in, oh my gosh, I can't wait till this happen, or I can't wait till I reach the end of this journey, or whatever. But what about right now? And then just living in that moment. And the other part on there that's going on there says, believing in yourself isn't just a step. It's the foundation upon which your dreams construct their reality. Now, I just love those things. So that's why I put those on that board there. But okay, so the next one is on self-care. Like, if you guys knew how much self-care makes a difference in life, like you would literally take time every week to do it. So that's what this board is about. It's about just taking a day to just pamper myself and do a nice facial, a nice warm bath, or just making sure I do my nails, or making sure I just do something that involves me feeling good and just looking good and just relaxing. I love some of the sayings on here too. It says, cherish every heartbeat, every breath, and every smile as you craft the mosaic of your best life. And then another one says, self-care is a daily ritual. It's a gentle reminder to cherish yourself. And I wrote on there as well, self-care one time a week, because I don't want to forget to do that. I want to make sure I put myself first in the area of self-care at least once a week. All right, and the last one on there is luxury, because y'all already know a girl needs her luxury, you guys. So I just wanted to have like maybe some wine on there, just some cute little luxury things saying enjoying life. Like, even some of the sayings on that one is really good too. Like this one says, luxury is not in the grandeur of possessions, but in the priceless value of time, love, and moments that take our breath away. Sometimes the simplest things just seem so luxurious. Even just a bubble bath, or even little things in life can become luxury. So I love that, and I wanted to put this because I just thought it was cute. So I had to add me a cute part to this board.